Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So now, one square foot equals 140 square inches. Okay, convert 800 square inches into square feet. Okay, so remember, just like in our previous video, where one giraffe neck equals 3 meters. Well, when you're looking at an area, you see this here is 1 meter squared. So when you're here, when you're talking about length, one giraffe neck equals 3 meters. Well, when you're talking about an area, you see this square here is 1 meter squared here. So so one giraffe neck squared. So now we're talking about an area. Well, an area here equals 9 meters squared, because you need 9 of these small squares here. So now I've given you one square foot equals 144. Even though one foot equals 12 inches. 12 inches. Then you see, when you're talking about length, this is 1 to 12. But when you're talking about area, this is 1 to 144. That's just like this here. So let's say this length here is one foot. Okay, this whole length here is 1 foot. Now 1 foot equals equals 12 inches. Okay, so that means 12 parts. Now look at this here. When you try and create a square here, again this here is still one foot. Okay, but hang on. But the thing is, you see this square here, this here is one inch, 1 square inch. Okay, this small square here is 1 square inch. So you're going to need 12 along here. You're going to need another 12 here, and then you're going to need another 12 here. So it all totals up to 144. That's why that's why this here one square foot equals 144 square inches. Okay, so now convert 800 square inches into square feet. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, start by summarizing this here. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 4, 4. So just imagine you've got 144 of these. 144 of these makes up one of these. Okay, so anyway, I'll summarize this. So that's 1 to 144, and now you've got 800 of these. So this here belongs to the right hand side here, because it's inches. So now we've got 800 here, and we want to find out x. So now we need our multiplier from here. Well, we ultimately want to start from here and jump into here. We need a multiplier. Well, that multiplier is this here, destination, which is 800, divided by original here, which is 144. Now, so over here it will have the same multiplier, 8, this here. So but basically, jump to your calculator, work this out. Hang on, calculator. So 844, 800 divided by 44, or sorry, 144 equals this. So this is our multiplier, 5.5555. So our multiplier is this. Hang on, our multiplier is 5.55, and it goes on. It's 5.55 recurring. So it's so you to work out x, you would start here and then times this here. So now I'm just going to get 1 times this multiplier here, which is that thing there, 5.5555. So basically this here will be, well, remember, 1 times this will be 5.55. let's round off to 6 here. So 800 square inches equals 5.56 square feet. Okay. All right. So here's another quick one here. So 1 square mile equals 2.59. Don't need that zero there. We don't need this zero here. So hang on, get rid of that. So hang on. So here, go press pause and have a go. Convert. So one square mile equals 2.59 square kilometers. Convert. Now we've got we've got 17 square miles. Convert that into square kilometers. Okay. So convert. Yeah. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so this here, let's summarize this here. So 1 here is 2.59. Okay, again, we are talking about area here. So now we just want, what is it? We've got 17 square miles. So it's 17 goes over here, and we want to work out x. Okay, so now you need a multiplier. So you know you're going to times 17 on this side. So here you're going to need to times 17 on this side. So the answer is just this times this. So you would jump to your calculator, clear it, 2.59 times 17 equals this, 44.03. So this is your answer. Okay.